Hi everyone, in today's video we will discuss on the concept of shadow price. So watch the video till end. I am sure you will have a confidence on this topic. So let's understand this concept with a real life example. Suppose you are running a tailor business and you are making a shirt as well as trouser for a customer, and the resources you are having is the cloth, that is the 20 meter of the fabric, and the time, that is 10 hours per day. For trouser you need a 3 meter of the clothes, and the time required to stitch the trouser is 2 hours, and the contribution that you will earn by selling the trouser is £15. Now come to the shadow price. Imagine a supplier offers you 1 extra hours of working time. Should you accept? Analyze with the shadow price. With 1 extra hour, you can make one more shot that will make you let you to earn a contribution of £10, right? So shadow price of 1 hour of time is $10 because it is the additional contribution that you earn by relaxing the time constraint. What about the clothes? Currently you are using the 70 meter of the fabric out of 20 meter, so 3 meters are unused. So adding more cloth won't increase your profit because time is binding constraint, not the clothes, right? So shadow price for the cloth is £0. So as having more cloth won't help unless you also get a more time. The key takeaway of this whole summary is provided in the table. I hope now you are clear on the concept of shadow price. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and share it among your friends. And don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much. Have a good day.